Ticket holders for the first class parlor car, please board car number 88 at the far end of the train beyond lamppost number 1. Ticket holders for the first class lounge car number 118, please board car number 118 in between lampposts 2 and 3. Ticket holders for lounge car number 75, please board car number 75 at lamppost number 3. Dining car ticket holders may please board car number 93 in front of the station. And finally, all of the
area of Lancaster we're currently riding through was settled in the very early 1700s. Route 721, here running right, was originally a Conestoga wagon trail that opened in the year 1710. Also coming up with the view on the running right-hand side of the train, you will see an old stone house with burgundy window shutters. That house was built in 1774 and was the original home of Cornelius Ferry, a wagon maker. Settlers heading west could buy Conestoga wagons from him, as well as guns and other provisions produced in the immediate area from the trip westward bound. Because folks keep in mind, over 270 hop out on the farm. In addition to dairy cattle, their main produce consists of corn, wheat, rye, hay, barley, and let's not forget the famous Lancaster County broadleaf tobacco. These are peaceful, prosperous people contributing greatly to the farm economy of Lancaster County, and we are very proud to have them as our neighbors. Now, folks, I got a question for you all. Do you believe in ghosts? And you'll see if the ghost that little locomotive is out there today. indeed, folks. It definitely sounds like it's out there today. Though I could have sworn I heard someone say that was an echo. Nonsense. That's a real ghost. In fact, we pay that ghost $27 a day just to do that for us. That makes it the highest paid employee on our railroad. Now, granted, no one's ever seen that ghost, but someone still keeps cashing all those paychecks. Speaking of ghosts, spooks, and specters, off the right left-hand side of the train, just past the railroad crossing we're going over now, up on the hill, you will see a small graveyard surrounded by a stone wall. That is the oldest graveyard in Lancaster County. In it is buried Marie Marie, French Huguenot, and fled France in the early 1700s to escape religious persecution. She and her followers eventually made their way out here to Pennsylvania, where they were given a grant by William Penn himself, right here in 1712. And it was they who named their colony Paradise. Now, for those of you who are paying attention, we mentioned Marie Marie's great-grandson Cornelius about a quarter mile back. The Marie family is still pretty prevalent in Lancaster to this day. In fact, if you're from this area, now folks, this location, Lancaster Junction at Paradise, has a lot of history to be told. It was the original route of the Philadelphia and Columbia Railroad, which became part of the mighty Pennsylvania Route in 1857. This was a very important stop for the Penn scene, with more than 30 trains passing through here each day in 1898. 4 mainline trains were made until 1961, and today more than a dozen trains still pass through here on a daily basis. However, they don't even slow down. Back in the olden days, when trains were still pulled by horses, this was a horse changing station. Where the forklift repair shop stands today used to stand at the Grand Henry Land Hotel in Duncan States. Paradise, Pennsylvania, exactly. You're in it, and let's face it, this is as close as most of us will ever get to paradise. Old Fork for East Strasburg. East Strasburg Station is next.
I'm trying to get pictures. He's gonna throw it. He's had to walk out there.
Now, does he know how to throw a ball yet?
Kicks the ball. I wonder if this.
I knew that was gonna happen. Who's that? Right.
and gentlemen, by the time we reach the station, we will travel 9 miles across the rails of history. It's at this time we want to thank each and every one of you for riding along with us today, because after all, it is you who makes all this possible. The ticket you bought today not only got you a ride on American Strasburg, it also helped to preserve it without increasing the national debt. To you credit admirers about your safety, please wait until the train comes to a full and complete stop before leaving your seat. While disembarking from the coaches, please take your time, watch your step, make sure you use the handrail. It has been raining. The steps are slippery and wet. 9, you'll be passing by the parking lot side of the train, so please do not attempt to cross the tracks unless one is passed. And finally, folks, while you're in there, make sure to check out our lovely cafe, gift shop, and toy shop along the station promenade where you purchase your tickets. Hope you folks have a wonderful evening. Hope you folks have a wonderful Easter and a wonderful time out here in Lancaster.
Like that.